Hello, are you ready for the new sound? Excellent. Okay, let's take a look. Here we have the new sound. You guessed it, they're two letters that when they come together and hug, they make one sound. And this sound we are going to make by putting our finger in front of our mouth and saying shh. Okay, look at my teeth. Shh. Excellent. We're going to blow the air out. Shh. Look here in the picture. You can see the mummy is telling the son to shh because the baby is sleeping. We have to hush because the baby is sleeping. Do you want to sing the song? Excellent. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh. Excellent. Good job. All right, one more time. Shh. Good job. Do you think we can do some spelling? Excellent. Okay, let's take a look. What animal is this from the farm? Excellent. It's a sheep. Good job. Now, what's the first sound in sheep? You guessed it. Shh. We're going to write it here. Good job. And sound number 2, E. Good job, the long sound. And the final sound, sheep. Well done. Sheep. Sheep. Good job. All right, let's take a look at the next picture. Ooh, now this is a very big boat. What do we call the very, very big boats? Ship. Excellent. It's a ship. What's the first sound? Shh. Good job. Sound number 2, eh. Good. Here. And sound number 3, p. Excellent. Shh. Eh. P. Ship. Good job. All right, let's take a look. Oh, now, look, this is a fruit shop. A fruit shop. Here we can see different fruits. Excellent. So, how do we spell shop? What's the first sound? Shh. Good job. Sound number 2. Oh, good. Here it is. And sound number 3. Good job. Oh, excellent. And finally, what food is this? A fish. Excellent. Sound number 1. Here it is. Sound number 2. Eh. And sound number 3. Fish. You guessed it. The sounds. Well done. Good job with the new sound. Shh. Be quiet. Good job, everybody.